Good morning mga friendship! Another cafe hunting dito sa Tanay Rizal. And I am excited to share this experience with you sa isa na namang bagong kapihan dito, ang Tanay Viewpoint. And what better way to begin the day than with a delicious breakfast right here? Tara, samahan niyo kami! My name is Jello and this is another kapihan episode for Jello Fight. Tara, kape tayo! Sa katabi ng Cafe Caterina. Table for two. Lahat magbibacon ako. Separate pa ang kape. So ito na nga, we ordered maple, smoked bacon, and beef tapa. For drinks naman, we ordered Americano and their famous chocolate de Biterol. Medyo pricey lang dito compared to other cafes in the area. Pero sulit naman and quality. Ano magkabag?
Kape matero.
Daming coffee machine, no? Yun, laki na, no? Chocolate Hardea. Oh, and by the way, kape na Tibeda din pala ang owners nito. Kaya naman pala solid ang kape nila. Maple bacon, ang daming kanin. Beef tapa. Thank you.
How much? Ketchup ay.
I'm having bacon.
Sarap ba yung bacon?
Yours is tapa. How's the tapa?
Very good. As of now, this is my number one.
Number one tapa. And that's all mga friendship, kita-kit sa susunod na kapihan. My name is JLo and this is another Kapihan episode for JLofied. Tara, kape tayo!